Today in crypto. The U.S. city of Williston in North Dakota is installing a cryptocurrency ATM at its international airport. This marks the first government-hosted cryptocurrency kiosk, the city said. Williston also accepts cryptocurrencies for payments of utility bills. The first government-hosted cryptocurrency kiosk. The city of Williston in the U.S. state of North Dakota announced Wednesday a partnership with crypto ATM operator Coincloud to install a cryptocurrency ATM at its Williston-Basin International Airport, XWA. The city wrote, "This marks the first government-hosted cryptocurrency kiosk and the first CoincLoud installation in an airport. This is an ambitious step in introducing and engaging the public towards cryptocurrency while proactively playing a role in building the digital ecosystem," commented the city's finance director, Hercules Cummings. "Although we are a smaller rural community, we are making an impact. Taking this small step may pave the way for other government and commercial entities to follow suit." CoincLoud's crypto ATMs, known as digital currency machines, DCMs, allow users to buy and sell over 40 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Cardano, and Ether. Users can also withdraw cash from their digital wallets. The city clarified that it does not act as the fund custodian nor manage any crypto transactions, emphasizing that purchases and withdrawals are handled by CoincLoud. Cummings opined, "Traditionally when you purchase crypto on an exchange, the transaction is directly tied to your bank via a checking account, debit card, or tied to your credit card. Converting cash to crypto through the DCM means there are no recognizable charges, bank account, or credit card. The deposit and withdrawal process happens between the DCM and your digital wallet, simply using cash." The city's finance director further explained that Williston partnered with BitPay in May to accept digital currency for city utility bills. He noted, "Now with a municipal-hosted DCM, we are creating a successful roadmap for the public to embrace cryptocurrency." Referring to allowing residents to pay with cryptocurrencies, Cummings said, "We are the first municipality in the state of North Dakota, and the third in the nation, to offer this service." Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.